And sometimes you might think, say, a stranger wicked, but sometimes my own family. Ain't no my own fault in a life. I live for family too much. I love family too much. I left and go to America for 6.5 years. When I left, I never planned. I left, I never leave with the intention not to come back. I come back. I went to, for 2 weeks for go back for go look my daughter visa, because guess what? I messed up my visa. I never want to revoke it. However, I stay America. I have all of my ups and downs. I start from the floor. And I work my way up. I through a partner up here. I save. I had to save the money in my sister's account because she had to take care of my daughter. I pay rent for over the 6 years. I buy food. I ensure them have clothes. When a birthday, I send the biggest clothes plus money. I do everything. Fast forward to that, last year was one of my roughest years, because guess what? My patient was put into nursing home and I lost my job, and I did hard to get a job. It was one day, there's one 2 days. However, I get a job in October. I work 12-hour shift, 7 days a week, just to see if I could make the trip to come see my daughter. Because my daughter said, "Mommy, the greatest wish I would have to see you for Christmas." And I want that for happen. I'm going to work 12-hour shifts, 7 days a week to come to Jamaica. Come here, I said, I buy up things to my family, them everybody two suit with this, that time. I spend up my money, do everything to come for them. Come here, I said, even if I don't have no money to come to Jamaica, I have $1 million odd plus US in my account at Jamaica. I asked my sister in April to send me a bank statement, and she said, "Take so long." And I said, "No, I don't think my sister would have spent half my money. I don't think so." She give me the bank statement with $1 million hard plus US in a account. So I say, "Yes, but I have the money to come down." And would you believe me? So my sister made me come to Jamaica. And when I asked her to draw 100,000, give me, she could have found a 95, and out of the US account, she change it out and give me. I come to Jamaica, no money, $1 million add me US, then clean sweep out of my account. My sister texts me a long text for years. I go Jamaica, oh, she's sorry, she this and that and that. And the taboo says she knows me will take care of her daughter. And I act like she want to kill herself, and I play a mind game for me. And I pay a mind game for me, and I got to make me know so from 2021 she live out from my account. And bear in mind, me pay rent, me buy food, me do everything, me not send nothing come to Jamaica, or me not send nothing for me daughter, or me not send for my sister. And me come and my sister spend off all of my money. And me tell her, man, me never know some people could have wicked, so me tell her, I said, better she did pay one man for kill me, because me love my sister to my heart, and me think my sister have me back. Or me tell her, say that people 100,000 me could get out of the $1 million. Out of the account, of the US account she turned to, where I probably have about $1,500 US dollar, change it out and give me, because I always say, me I go send more US, but it's like God send me enough to send it, because if me did send it, my sister would have spent off everything. My sister bring me down to the ground. My sister, me not know. Me never know say people would have wicked to me, so me never expect this from her. Me know say I'm more than $1 million for my account, but you may trust her. And me I say, even if she touch one and two money, you know, and nothing, me know Jamaica rough. Sister spend off every dollar. And I look at me and say, she go find a way to pay me back. Where I go find a way to pay me back in Jamaica? We're so rough. But there me have to go try to go back home, because I have no money to spend. I'm going to tell you, family always going to be my downfall. This is my second time family make me lose much money in a life. I'm going to tell you, me done. Different from my mother, me done. Me done with family. Family wicked, who know me, say, me take care of my sister. And my sister spend off all of my money. And me come here to no money to spend. But it's all good. God not sleep. He will let me rise again. And me shall not suffer. And I shall not go back to America and be homeless. Because it's the God me serve. Nothing that I go and punish.